I don't need anyone. I don't need anyone. I don't see anyone. I don't see anyone. Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone. Ask anyone. Ask anyone. Don't call anyone. Don't call anyone. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Don't trust anyone. Don't trust anyone. Is anyone here? Is anyone here? Anyone can do that. Anyone can do that. I don't trust anybody. I don't trust anybody. I did not talk to anybody. I did not talk to anybody. I am not blaming anybody. I am not blaming anybody. Was anybody else absent? Was anybody else absent? Does anybody know about this? Does anybody know about this? Is anybody on the line? Is anybody on the line? Why did not anybody tell me? Why did not anybody tell me? Why does not anybody answer? Why does not anybody answer? Why would anybody do that? Why would anybody do that? Don't you like anybody? Don't you like anybody? Don't you trust anybody? Don't you trust anybody? Anybody can make a mistake. Anybody can make a mistake. Have you seen anything? Have you seen anything? We don't do anything. We don't do anything. I can't say anything. I can't say anything. Anything else? Anything else? Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Is anything broken? Is anything broken? Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Did they find anything? Did they find anything? Do you want anything? Do you want anything? Did you see anything? Did you see anything? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.